Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to auto-admit participants on Google Meet. First, open meet.google.com and log in with your Google account. Once you're on the home page, click New Meeting and choose Start an Instant Meeting. When your meeting starts, look at the bottom right corner and click the Host Controls icon. This opens the menu where you can manage meeting permissions. Scroll down to the Meeting Access section. Here, change the setting to Open. This allows anyone with the link to join automatically without you having to admit them. And that's it. Your participants can now join instantly. And that's how to auto-admit participants on Google Meet. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.